Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this 2018, wait a minute, no, 2019 Nash just got here. It's absolutely exciting to see some changes they did with the product and a floor plan that's already done incredibly well in the country because it's compact, it's small, it offers a lot of storage inside. Nash does not skimp on that. They're not building an ultralight trailer, they're building a trailer that's heavily built and well made and durable from the ground up with a certified chassis all the way through their nice big truss roof that's full snow load, walk on. You and 10 other buddies, if you have to, please don't make a habit of doing that. You get up on a roof, you want to make sure that you're incredibly safe and that also you take advantage of Guaranty's free roof inspections twice a year. But let me start you on the inside here of this 24M model and we'll finish on the outside. We'll start in the bedroom area, but I want to kind of make a note when the cameraman's there and you look at this coach. It's very open, it's very well lit, it's a kind of a cloudy, semi-sunny day today in Junction City. And this still has a lot of natural light coming through. The advantage to having safety, lightly tinted windows. The advantage is with having that type of setup, you let more natural light in. If you want to do dry camping, which is what this is all about, this coach can absolutely take being out there and not being hooked up and have yourself a nice cool coach, a well lit place, your lights on all the time. You still have LED lights, so they're very efficient anyway and very cool. So what I've got with this area up here where the bed is, it's sort of part of the room if you want it to be, and that's why in a 24-foot floor plan you've got a lot of space. Bedroom access doorway from outside as well, and you'll have your doors on both those cupboard doors there, and your storage on that side as well as on that side of the bed over there. Your mattress is a nice thick heavy-duty support there. You've got access underneath, which makes it separate from what you got in the other area. We'll show you on the outside here in a little bit. Also, I like it's got a powered fan overhead, which will make it nice for extra ventilation in your unit here. You also have storage, and what I told you on the video is that you have a lot of storage. Northwood's not trying to take anything away, they're trying to add more stuff to it, and yes, it makes them a little heavier. But if you've got the right vehicle, many half tons can pull these nowadays, of course. And even much larger Northwoods and Nashes can be towed. So you've got a coach that's using solid wood everywhere. I should say real wood backers on there, and on your fronts and doors and everything are all solid wood. But you've got all that storage and drawers. You've got over here access down below if you need to, and you got an easy fold table that makes it easier to convert the booth into sleeping for additional need for that. Your storage overhead here. This is 2019, so they went to difference in the cabinet doors, which they had in the Snow River product in the past, so they decided they liked that type of design. It's quite unique, and so they have the new cupboards and cabinet materials for 2019, and a few other little changes here. We'll try to see if we can cover those out, point them out. Your place here, I see it does have an extender here, so again, you'd have to call me and find out more details about that, but it's an extender for your signal for your Wi-Fi, so it's something that is becoming more popular as we go by now. Again, this is a 19 model. You do have a thick cushion on here for sitting on your booth, means that you can sit down and play games and be there for a while and not have to feel like you got to get up to stretch and all that because the cushions are so thin. So nice thick cushions. You've got your quick jackknife sofa here that you can make that into a bed, and you can see all that access here if you needed to. They also Velcro this so you can actually, take it off and get to something big if you want to be able to make it easier for getting something in and out. But you've got that will stay, and so you can kind of reach things in there. And then when you want to make that into a bed, you've got the different densities of a firmer density and a looser density, so you can still sleep comfortably there. You've got storage in behind and cup holders there. Your big windows that open up and on both sides there. And then you've got this storage that's deep enough for a nice full-size plate, nice well too. Little accent trim they put on there. But Northwood and the company in La Grande, Oregon has been around for about since 1993. So, and the Ron Nash and Sherry Nash, I mean, he'd been with the Terry division of Fleetwood for 26 years. So you got a product that is well built and that has already been thought out of all the mistakes that other people have made, as well as Fleetwood, and now they're doing all the great things they need to do to make this product so fantastic, and things like lots of storage, heavy-duty chassis. They put a little solar panel, you might have seen that blinking over here on the cameraman's right, and that's going to be a little, I believe it's what's called a little 20 watt solar panel. So you'll have that mounted up on the air conditioner up top, and that'll give you a little trickle charge for those batteries down over in the front. This is going to house two group 24 deep cycle marine batteries. We're going to provide those for our clients with a brand new trailer. You've also got your refrigerator here, which is going to have modes for temperature adjustments and everything, which are nice. So you'll be able to kind of adjust the temperature of your milk and juice and such how you see fit. They've got a kind of nice little finish here on the stainless steel. They still put large ovens. I mean, have been doing that for many years, so Northwood likes to put a larger oven in there for those that want to be out dry camping and use that to bake some things up. And then you also have this cover, which is a stainless there. But look at the counter, nice counter space in a small compact trailer. You've got good counter space over there if you want to put a coffee maker and everything. It's all out of the way. They got stainless steel for the sinks instead of the acrylic ones. The acrylic sinks may be a tad bit lighter perhaps, but this is going to be something that lasts real well and resist those dents and scratches and everything. So this right here overhead, you're going to have some nice deep storage over there too. So in the kitchen you've got quite a bit of area, so makes it real nice overhead. But look at this, all the drawers. So you've got all the drawers in here, 6 of them, so all the way through, see? So really super cool. And in the bathroom here you've got a large lavy sink, and then you also have really a huge wardrobe in there. So look at that double door wardrobe, soft storage up above, fantastic fan in here, as well as the one over the bed in the master bedroom. You've got that. You've got an actual pocket door in here, which is smart to do that as opposed to any kind of a door or curtain. You got a solid door there, and then you've got a nice low step shower. And with this new design on here, they went with this self kind of cleaning type setup on your curtain, and so that's a new design for 2019. But what I really like is something like this. You know, when you think about it, these are about 8 inches in depth and all that, and what happens is a lot of companies would put something on this side and then maybe some slide out trays or not, so they might seem good, but they always take up so much space. So by having a shelf or two here and there, you're able to really put a lot of canned goods and box goods and everything in there for those trips. So once again, it's designed to go somewhere, and if you want to stay off the grid for a bit and take lots of goods, you can do that. So again, great product for that purpose and everything. You'll love it. As we go outside, we'll talk about a couple other things I like real well too, and that is that they put a big awning on here. So bigger the awning, bigger the patio and the party outside. It also covers, you notice, the door here on your main entry and your bedroom entry as well. So you've got coverage there if you're getting in and out from raindrops and such and all. That's nice to have that protection. You also have the doors, which are already pre-tensioned, so they already have that friction hinge to them, so it's nice to not have that blowing on you when you're going in and out loading groceries and such. But again, heavy duty chassis. They've got now on the tires themselves, they've gone pretty much with Goodyear tires throughout, and that makes a nationwide warranty so much easier to deal with Goodyear brand. So they've gone to a gray color on the outside, which is with also more of the dark accents throughout. So makes it for a nice looking coach. They got a grab handle when you go in. And something I got to find out about a little bit more, I like that little light up here. It looks to me, I think it might have a motion sensor, so they might actually have gone now where they have a motion sensor. Again, don't quote me on that. Call me at the end of this video, that number, and I'll tell you. But I believe that's what it is. This is so new and exciting that I want to make sure you know everything there is to know about it. But out here, they also put easy lube axles on your tires and your axles. This frame right here is designed to be able to have some goodies that you can put and accessorize with, a shelf and a trash and all that, to put along that track like you would in garage storage, and they put it here with the Northwood. So they give you a few things to kind of start with, but I'm sure there's a catalog you can go to and get a lot more goodies if you wanted to. The step here, easy fold for the master door as well, outside speakers. Again, the nice big awning we talked about. The doors here on these are a magnet door, and they're also 1 inch thick, so with that extra thick door you end up getting some extra insulation. And also they use automotive seals on here with no memory, so what's good about that is that you keep, yes, the water is easy to keep out, it's wanting to keep also the fine dust particles that you get to on these long dry roads that can be problematic. So I suggest when you do it that you have that latch and also this when you're going to be on dirty travel, and keep that nice and tight, keep the compartments inside clean. When you go back around, your extended height on here for your tongue jack, and also for your levels up top, and you've got your bigger tanks. they've done a little difference this year. If the cameraman looks to his left, you'll see on that other Nash over there how the front end used to look. So they did change some things in 2019 to be a more curved look to it. They feel aerodynamically it's a little better setup and all that. Both have its advantages. The more traditional flat front that they had before still has good space inside, and you can feel like you have pretty good headroom inside that one. This one probably curves a little bit, and they just feel it kind of works out better for having a little bit less wind drag on there. So probably a little plus on the plus side for the 19 model here. Again, good height there for that storage. As we come back around, it just absolutely keeps on going. I mean, look at all this storage here, a couple of shelves I can take out if I want to, and that goes up, you know, quite a ways inside, so you can put fishing poles and other kind of things in here that are taller, and that makes it nice, as well as what you get here, which is going to be all that storage inside, and that's going to be up underneath that couch. So, you know, why not be able to access that from the outside if you need to? It makes it real nice. You got instead of a 6-gallon hot water heater, you're going to have a 10-gallon hot water heater. So that gives you that much more capacity and much longer showers, a little bit better for recovery and everything, and not having to wait so long. You got your city water here, your black tank flush. And then of course what's really unique about Northwood is you know, years ago they said, you know, maybe folks do really want to get out and be private and have their own power source. So this is pre-wired for a generator. If you do want to get a propane gen, we can install that for you here. You can have it ordered at the factory however you wish works for you. And what's nice is that it's already pre-wired, so it makes the assembly easier for us on our end of it. And we can get that into your financing if you want as well. You have your big ladder for the back here. And of course it's a full walk-on snow load roof I pointed out earlier. The outside shower here for hot and cold, and you also have a little hitch there, class 1, for like if you wanted to put a bike rack or some type of storage tray on the back, okay? Not something you want to hook up your big boat on or something, pull it behind you, so don't want to do that. So once again, we'll talk about the biggest advantages to a Northwood product is they still are a 4-season. They're designed for cold weather camping and travel, and many travel trailers are good for 3 seasons. This is good for really that 4th season, and certainly as close as you can get to really that true deep cold weather camping. And that's going to be all the Northwood products that we sell, Arctic Fox and my Nash. So if you have any more questions about this product or anything else that we carry at Guaranty, I've been here 27 years. I love what I do. It's a lot of fun, and we know that it's a great opportunity for us to get out here and enjoy our wonderful country. So if you have any more questions about what you saw, please give me a call, Tom.Peterson. And remember, at Guaranty in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.